Hello, my dear students, and welcome back. I know, exams are just around the corner and the tension is building up, right? Don't you worry. This chapter, Economic Activities, can feel a bit heavy, but trust me, we're gonna make it super simple today. Let's get started.
All right, let's just dive right in. Take a good look at this picture. What do you see? There's a bus, there are shops, people selling things, people buying things. So much is happening. Well, all these things that people are doing to earn their living, to earn money, that's what we call economic activities. Simple as that.
So, what's the bookish definition you need for your exam? Well, an economic activity is basically any action, whether it's making something, selling it, or even using it, as long as it's done to earn money. The most important part, you see it right there, is that it creates monetary value. If pesa is involved, it's an economic activity.
Now, there are so many different jobs in the world, right? A farmer, a car mechanic, a doctor, even the person delivering your Zomato order. To understand all this, we've put them into three big teams, or as I like to call them, the three super sectors. They are primary, secondary, and tertiary. Let's meet the teams.
First up, we have the primary sector. Now, primary means first, right? So this is the very first step. This sector is all about getting things directly from our Mother Nature. Think of it like this. If you can grow it, fish it, or dig it out of the ground, it's a primary activity.
And here are two perfect examples. On the left, you see fishing. You're taking fish straight out of the river or the sea. On the right, mining, digging coal and minerals right out of the earth. Farming, of course, is the biggest example. All of them, getting resources directly from nature. Got it?
Okay, team number 2, the secondary sector. This is our factory sector. What does it do? It takes all the raw materials from the primary sector and, poof, it transforms them into something new and useful. This is where all the manufacturing and construction happens.
Look at this. A car factory takes steel, which is made from iron ore that was mined, and turns it into a brand new car. That's a secondary activity. Or a carpenter takes wood from trees and makes a study table, taking a raw material and making a finished product. See the connection?
And just to show you how massive this sector is in India, look at these numbers from 2022. We made 2 crore two-wheelers, 2 crore, and 45 lakh cars. Can you even imagine that? That's the amazing power of a secondary sector at work.
And finally, our third team, the tertiary sector. I call them the service superstars. Why? Well, because they don't really make anything you can hold, like a fish or a car. Instead, they provide services. They are the ultimate support system, helping both the primary and secondary sectors to do their jobs properly.
For example, transportation, trucks and trains that move things from one place to another, that's a service. Or healthcare. You see doctors and nurses. They provide a service to keep us healthy. You know, I'm a teacher, so I'm also part of the tertiary sector. Banking, internet, and yes, your Swiggy and Zomato delivery partners all are our service superstars.
Okay, so we've met all three sectors. But the big question is, do they work alone? Absolutely not. They are totally dependent on each other. And to understand this, let me tell you a wonderful story from our own country, the amazing journey of Amul milk.
You know, every great story has its heroes. And for Amul, the heroes are right here. Tribhuvandas Patel and Dr. Verghese Kurian. Please remember their names. These were the great men who helped farmers start the Amul cooperative way back in 1946 and brought about the White Revolution in India.
So, let's follow the journey of that Amul milk you have in your fridge, all the way from the cow to your morning cup of chai. It's a perfect three-step story that shows how our three sectors work together like best friends.
Step 1. It all starts at the farm. The farmer milks his cows and buffaloes. Now, since milk is coming directly from an animal, from nature, which sector is this? Think about it. Yes, you got it. It's the primary sector. Absolutely right.
Okay, step 2. That fresh milk is collected and sent to a big factory. In the factory, they process it, they package it, and they also make other things like Amul butter, cheese, and ghee. So we are manufacturing new products from a raw material. This is the job of the, come on, you know this, secondary sector. Perfect. And now for the final step. How does that yummy Amul cheese reach the shop near your house? Through trucks and trains, right? And then the shopkeeper sells it to you. This transportation and selling, it's a service, which means it's our tertiary activity. See? Primary, secondary, tertiary, all working together in perfect harmony.
Let's do a super quick revision with another example. An example that's right there in your hands, your textbook. Let's quickly trace its journey and see the 3 sectors in action one more time.
Okay, let's go. Step 1. Wood is cut from trees. Getting a resource from nature is primary. Step 2. The wood pulp is turned into paper in a factory and your book is printed. Manufacturing is secondary. And step 3. Trucks deliver the books to your shop. This service is tertiary. Fantastic. See how easy it is?
All right, everyone, time to get into exam mode. Pay close attention now because this is the part that will help you score full marks. Let's look at a question that could come straight from your board paper.
Here's a very popular question. How does the secondary sector depend on the tertiary sector? Give examples. So, how do factories need the help of services? Think for a moment before we look at the perfect answer.
Here is how you should frame your answer for full marks. Point number 1. Factories need transport, which is a tertiary service, to bring in raw materials. Point number 2. Factories need shops and markets, another tertiary service to sell their finished products to customers like us. And point number 3. To run a factory, you need money from banks, you need internet, you need electricity. All of these are services from the tertiary sector. See? They're completely dependent.
So, my dear students, if there is one thing you take away from this entire chapter, it is this line right here. All 3 sectors are a team. They are interdependent. That's the magic word for your exams. Write it down, highlight it. They cannot work without each other.
And we're done. But before you go, I have a fun little homework for you. Just look around your house, your neighborhood. Can you find one example for the primary, one for the secondary, and one for the tertiary sector? It's the best way to remember this forever. You've done a great job today, study well, and all the very best for your exams. I'll see you in the next one.